Hello, dear student. Good morning, good afternoon. I hope you are doing great today and enjoyed yesterday's class with Sahel. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the complete flow, showing how Canvas and video platform work together. So let's start, and we will start with accepting another invitation to weekly Video Hub week 1. Let's go again to our Gmail inbox, and you have been invited to a new Video Hub, and you can see the difference in the titles. Classes week 1, and here you can see Video Hub live classes, which you have already accepted the invitation to on Tuesday, and yesterday's class, as well as all the rest live classes recordings, will be stored in this Video Hub. But today I will be showing you how to use weekly hubs. So first we need to click on email, then of course click on this big blue button, click here to sign in. We need to set up the password, and as I suggested earlier, you just need to set up the same password for all the hubs. It will be easier for you not to forget the password. And it's better to do, I already bookmarked the page, but it's better to bookmark the page so you can create a folder, name it as Syntax Bootcamp, and just store all the bookmarks in the folder. So let's bookmark it. But on Discord, in this information channel, we will be adding the links like we did in this SDAT batch 26. So if I go to information channel in there, you will see that all the links will be stored here. But they will be working for you only if you accept the invitation at the first place. Once we send it, you just need to sign in. If you are not even planning to watch the videos of that week right away, you anyway please need to sign in and accept the invitation, bookmark the page. It means that you will have access later to any of those particular weeks. But if even you miss the invitation, you didn't sign in, it's not a problem. You can just reach out to us and we will send the invitation to Weekly Hub to you again. So don't worry at all. So let's go back to our Weekly Hub classes week 1. So here you can see you have different videos to watch. So this part we have completed. We signed in into Video Hub. That's what you will be doing every Monday from now on. Every week on Monday, we will be inviting you to Video Hub for the classes of week 1, 2, 3, 4 until 26. So now we just need to go to Canvas. Let's sign into Canvas. Okay, I hope you have saved the password which you set up earlier. So now we are in Canvas and we're in the dashboard. Just click on SDAT batch 27, go to modules. And you will see that we have published everything what you need to watch and do within this week. So let me show you how it actually works. So if you have not installed IntelliJ yet, just go to these videos and install IntelliJ on your Mac, Windows, watch this video, getting to know IntelliJ. So if you click on the link and click here, you will be redirected to YouTube and you can watch what Asghar showed you. So to go back, you just need to click on modules and you will be back on the main page. So yesterday was day 3, Wednesday, and here you have slides, and Sahil was going over everything what was in the slides. So today is Thursday, day 4, and you can see that we have a phrase, watch this videos on the hub. What it means and what you need to do. So you can see watch this videos on the hub means that you need to go to the video hub of week 1 and you just need to find their day 4 and these 3 videos. So let's go back to video hub classes week 4. You can see day 4 and you can see 3 videos which you need to watch today. Just click on it and play. And all of the videos have captions. You can turn them on and off on your preferences. All right. Then you can just expand. Okay, just let's go back. All right, what else we have? We have quality of the video, but it's good on auto as well. All right, to go back, you just click on syntax logo and you will be back to the main page. So, for example, you have watched video 1, 2, 3 of this day and you have slides like a sum up of the day. You can click on it and you will see the slides. All right. You can download them. They are downloadable. Videos are not downloadable, but the slides are. To go back again, just click on modules. All right, for example, you are done with Thursday and you are proceeding with Friday. So again, you have watched these videos on the hub. Data types, you have 4 videos to watch. Again, you just go to classes week 1 video hub. You can see day 5 and it has 4 videos. You can just watch them. All right. And before we move to the next day 6, Saturday, I just want to tell you that, for example, since we will be publishing all the materials of the whole week ahead, just on Monday, you can watch all the videos of the whole week and then proceed with the assignments. Or you can go, or you can watch daily by the order we have here on Canvas. And actually, I suggest you just go with the order we have here on Canvas. So it has structure, but anyway, if you want, you can just watch all the videos on one day and then just review them daily. So you will find your approach for sure. So for day 6, we have Git installation videos. So to start doing your homework, you just need to create your GitHub account. You can see here is a step-by-step guide to creating a GitHub account. Then you need to install Git on your Mac or Windows. And then if you click on this sheet, you will need to submit username. Why it's important to submit your username? Because for now, Git repository is public, but in 2 weeks, we will make it private. And if we don't know your username, we won't be able to invite you to our private repository. All right, then you have Java homework in GitHub. Watch these videos below. So to understand how to clone homework from GitHub, you just need to watch this video. Then you need to configure IntelliJ for Java assignments. A quick guide is here. And you will need to copy and paste the link, which you will find in here. This is Java homework assignments. And actually, in this video, you will see how Asghar is showing you how to copy and paste and where to paste this link to in GitHub. And then for these videos, you have new videos to watch: assignment operator, arithmetic operators. Here is the slides. And on day 7, you have a Java Live class. We will publish slides for Java Live class just later. You will see them. We will inform you in the course announcements channel on Discord as well. So you have your first assignment. Actually, it won't be the first one, and it will be assignments of whole week 1 starting from today, but they will be in GitHub. So before getting the assignments, you need to set up your Git and watch all these videos to understand how to get homework. And you can see here is a document how to submit homework solution on Canvas. You just need to open it and you will see here you can submit your homework from GitHub. Due date is May 6 by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. You have 2 attempts. You just click on Start Assignment and you drag file here or choose a file to upload. So in the document, how to submit homework solution on Canvas, you will see how to do it. Okay, let's open it. Here's the step 1, step 2, and yes, this is GitHub, and then you're just following along with the steps, and you can see open Canvas, go to assignments you want to submit, and here our instructor is trying to submit week 2 assignments, but for you it will be first week 1. Then, as I showed you, click on Start Assignment, and you will choose a file to upload. So everything is here. You just need to explore this document and then proceed with the assignment. But don't worry at all if you don't understand something. You just go to Discord. You find technical support channel, and here you start asking our instructors and they will help you out, happily help you out, so don't worry at all. So let's go home That was for week 1. Week 2 will be same. Week 3 will be same, just different topics, different assignments, but the structure will be the same. If you go to assignments, it's better to click on show by type and you will see Java assignments. But for now, of course, we have published just week 1 Java assignment. Here will be more Selenium, SQL, some quizzes of SDLC, manual testing. So you will be getting more and more assignments here. And plus we will be publishing solutions as well. So, and the last thing which I wanted to show you is calendar. So on calendar, you can see your schedule. And for example, let's go to June and click on June 11th, and you will see what you exactly need to watch. So all of this are videos from Video Hub. This is all our pre-recorded classes, which you just need to watch on that day. And this is very helpful because, for example, let's say you've missed 2 weeks and right now you come back to the course on June 8th. And you can see that there are access modifiers in Java, and this is week 9. So you can understand that you need access to Video Hub of week 9, and you need to watch the video of our access modifiers in Java. The same, you just go to courses, you go to modules, and since you understand that it's week 9, you will be seeing week 9 here, and you will see the materials of week 9. And if we go back to calendar, let's go back to our June 18th. Okay. And you have a class on June 21st. So you need to be prepared before coming to this class. And it means that you just need to watch the videos from Thursday to Saturday included. And here's what you need to watch: access modifiers, then understanding constructors, keyword in Java, and introduction to inheritance in Java. And then you come here to this live class, and Asgar will be going over these materials. If we take Wednesday, then you need to watch the classes from Monday and Tuesday, and you will be prepared for Wednesday class. So I hope this video will be helpful, but on Sunday I will see you again. Just will steal 40 minutes from Asgar's Java class and walk you through again and show you the whole process again, just to get your questions during the live class and ask them if you have any. So just will be answering you in a real time. And all right, let's go to modules. Yes, you will get used to it. Don't worry at all. And we are always here for you, so don't worry at all. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a lovely day. Bye bye.